No, like
Uh,
90, 90,
40, 90.
950 around there.
For a downside?
Yeah. And then stop losses, I'm risking 200. Stop losses, 8,150.
But okay, so look, notice this though too. All these EMAs are
Pushing up.
on the bottom side, so they're pushing up here, 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 here.
Mm-hmm.
So just watch that too. Like even here when they crossed over, they were on top.
Mm-hmm.
The downside. So now they cross over here.
That's a good point.
But this is a head and shoulder upside down.
Yeah, it is.
When it crossed over.
That is a head and shoulder.
When it crossed over, it went back this way.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll watch that. This
I
is
think
45 minutes too.
yesterday you were kind of right with my stop loss being too far up.
Yeah.
The part of me gets me nervous because it will take out, but I gotta just accept that. Because the stop loss way far up, it's sitting at the stop loss. So I got stopped out and I didn't even get, it's not like it got stopped off and I got a better entry. It's the same,
Yeah.
But yeah, so my account's at 91 now. Well, I was trying to get that at 95
Oh, okay.
or actually 85.
Mm-hmm.
So that Palantir looks crazy though.
How's your does?
That double looks like a Batman.
Right here?
No, at the top.
Right here?
Other side.
This
Right,
one?
yeah, that current.
Oh, that's what that is?
Well, I mean, it looks like a Batman.
Yeah. That's probably chill. That's how it recovered from this day when it took that big ass drop and it dropped again.
Mm-hmm.
And it recovered.
That's the thing. When it dropped, everybody was saying, everybody was so bearish that, and then with the recession, talking about the recession next year, it shook me out of my good entries down there. 'Cause I had some entries down there at the bottom, and I got scared almost. And then I also feel like I flipped too bearish on Ethereum. Cause let me show you that Ethereum double bottom. Yeah, with that nice head and shoulders.
Yeah, and it came all the way up.
And it ended last week 3,000. I'm like, okay, darn. Instantly, within the first hour of opening, busted back down to the 800, 2,800. So I got my entry in. Took it back up. That was yesterday when I made the 200.
Yeah.
Took it back up to around 3K. And then kept going, but I really wanted to just load up down there. But I got a whole year to make 2,000. Like, that's my mindset right now. I don't need. I mean, hopefully.
You're doing way more than that in a year.
I mean, I'm still in the same spot. In the last 2 weeks, I'm still in the. My count has not even grown. My positions, my L's are big. If I lowered the stop loss, that would help. And my wins are like 1 for 1. That's why I'm in the same spot. I need to be able to hold my wins longer.
This is the 45 minute on the Nas100. But on the 5 minute it's coming down.
Yeah, Dow 30 is going to clear. Looks like it's gonna. Looks like it just filled that gap that we were talking about. And it's pushing hard. Oh my God, it's flying. 8,000 is psychological. That's it.
This little 5 minute candle, it only went down $1, but it's just crazy.
I'm saying Dow 30's moved pretty heavy. It's over 8K.
I mean, I would love that, but I don't think you can. I think that when we get into next year, we have a lot that's going to decide the Fed outlook, even just in the first 6 to 8 weeks of the year. So, will Stephen Myron continue to be a governor? That'll happen in January. We'll get the new Fed chair named
Kind of
in
marking.
January
I'm
if
gonna mark up that
President
15.
Trump decides to do it sooner. We're going to have the Supreme Court decision on for cause removals of governors in January or February. And then, of course, we have the reconfirmations of the sitting Fed presidents in February. So, those 2 months are going to tell us a lot about what the Fed can or will do over the whole year. But taking that aside as an important catalyst, if you look at the labor data, the inflation data, this cut's priced in. It's happening. John Williams has signaled it. But going forward, we have 4 cuts priced in between now and the end of next year. Inflation has been above target
How do they know
for
if the
years.
cuts are
Labor
priced in?
market data is
Hmm?
softening, but it's
So how
mixed.
do they know if their
We've
cuts are
seen some
priced
positive
in?
things today.
I
The
don't know.
service sector
Just
sentiment
probably the
index, which came out earlier this
ball
week, wasn't
hedging
showing a lot of weakness
algorithms
and
probably
bounce
these
there.
days.
So I think the Fed's going to have to tread carefully that they don't
Direction
overstimulate an already strong
you can get
overall economy.
in the stock going up and fine.
Push it forward.
So books, Google is still falling. Amazon is still falling because the market is falling out pretty bad.
I mean, it's not guaranteed for sure, right? It's a democracy on the Fed. The chair has an
Yeah,
outsized voice, but they
has
have
to
to
be
be
from the
careful about
economic
what
data
their
that we
voice
just
is when it
got.
gets
So
too
these things
close.
are going
So it's not
from their
guaranteed, but I
supply.
do think the odds will
You
increase
can bet
So
on
just
though.
if this
depends. So
chair
just write
outside
this
handle
down.
is
Y'all can write
replaced by
Google down
another
while
Trump
I'm live.
nominee. The odds will rise. The market will perceive that more cuts are likely. And I think that'll lead us to a couple
Got a
things. I think
straight
we'll have a
run
steeper
on that
yield
one.
curve at the margin, good for
And it's
banks.
pretty
I
cheap.
think we'll have a weaker dollar.
At
I think we'll have
312.50.
higher inflation
It's
expectations.
crazy.
But
Mm.
it's
Is
not
a
all,
dollar
as you put earlier, didn't we say
twenty-five.
such, what was it, something
The
like
three
depression
That
tens.
dome
payments?
ended
We
up,
have
the
that
upside down dome ended up
consumer
playing pretty darn
expectations, so
good.
that's going to be
Yeah, it
useful.
did.
Y'all
Yeah.
can ride
Holding
Google down for a
prices, and we're
swing.
talking about more and more worse, not better,
Amazon. Let me
worse.
show you
Lower
Amazon. Matter of fact,
cost
let
of
me put this
funds.
inside of
So
the
That's crazy.
rate cuts might be good for the stock market in the short term,
this
but for the
moving
economy in
channel.
the medium or longer term, it's not great. And Fed credibility at risk is definitely not great. It's incredible just how much it feels like the market is ignoring that. Maybe bonds are. And this is an argument that Greg Peters of Peachin made on Bloomberg
So
TV earlier
Amazon
this
is
morning.
heading
Let's get to
level
it
in
before we forget.
agreement.
If you look at the
Amazon,
bond market response,
which is
it's
almost here.
shit is just
Charge
playing.
is already inside of the what's movement chip.
The video's playing, it ain't gonna come up. Look at this shit on the video.
Y'all can write
I said,
Nvidia up.
motherfuckers is coming down.
Let me see how much they
It ain't gonna
cost.
go up that long. I don't think so.
How long is he saying?
Crazy right now.
I don't know.
So Nvidia,
Cause it look at what
2085
Us30 did.
for swings too.
Huh?
Push up just to come back down. It might
DJ?
They got one
might
Yeah.
try.
that
Nvidia might try to take liquidity.
But like I said,
Yeah.
in terms
It
of
might.
supply,
I don't think
they're
so.
gonna try to
Long
go
term,
ahead and
like
swing
even right here, pushed up.
444
Right here, they pushed hella up to 186.
185.
Caught this doji and came right back
All at
down.
once,
Mm.
but
Yeah.
that's where that gap closes at. So
We'll see though.
you're gonna take it for a swing trade. It's gonna pull back here and there,
I should have swing
but
it.
they filled this first gap
But here it's going
over
up.
here.
But it's
This opening over
It's
gap.
kind of close to
still near
like a
195.
That's what they feeling.
like
They
a
just
trend
gotta
line,
pass that. If they
California
continue
trend line.
get past this candle right here and stay above it, then like I said, they'll try to retest those highs. So Nvidia still for calls. Google is still falling. And they falling to 316. If they don't catch footing right here, Apple puts Apple still falling. They're gonna reverse at about 10 o'clock because Apple is about to hit support too. Let's see. Google still falling. Microsoft is falling. Excuse me. Microsoft is doing a retest of the lows from yesterday. 475. Amazon is doing a retest of the lows again. Meta, yeah, Nvidia is still going for calls. Meta wanted to go over. This is the first one that we went over this morning. Meta went up way too much, and it's gonna make a good swing trade because of this huge gap up right here. It didn't allow people to get in or whatever, so that's why they were shorting it. They bouncing off the 21 right now. They are rejecting. If they get back above the VWAP, then they're gonna do a retest of the highs. Each day we get a retest of the highs or either the lows. So right now, they're trying to short Meta back down to 661. Microstrategy. Excuse me, look at the low on Microstrategy. They must be hitting them or whatever. Yeah, they breaking out. Okay. Bitcoin must be going up. Yeah, so the determining factor, Eric, if you get calls or puts on Meta, you'll get calls above the VWAP. It has to break and hold above the VWAP about 670, I would say. Mark that off. You're getting calls above that. None of they reject here and stay below this level here. Then you can get puts below 661. 50. And then ride it down. But this is gonna definitely go on a swing trade because of that huge gap that they have on both sides.
Is he swing trading long or short?
Let's see what MicroStrategy is
She's just
doing.
going through different ones, so I'm not sure.
Oh.
Yeah. Shit.
Google still falling for puts. I hope y'all ain't Google. That pays really well, and it fell right at the bell. I gave it to y'all, and it stayed down. So
Oh, shit.
Google is still falling.
Google
Google is
farm.
falling to 314.
Mm-hmm. price coming down.
Mm, I wasn't able to get entry at the top though, cause I mean, and I lowered it, lost $6, re-entered, lost about $20 on that position. Kind of sucks.
Intel is gonna be for the small accounts. INTC. Meta coming down again soon, so I'm gonna put those puts in here. Intel is gonna be for the smaller accounts. The 42s I'm putting back in there. They 39 cents. This was in the swings last night. Hopefully y'all still have it. That's small account friendly. Meta.
And you about to go get you about to go get Lydia. Push.
I want to go a little bit heavier.
You close the 15-minute candle.
Yeah.
See what we got here. Let's see what we got there. See what we do.
Alphabet School.
Yeah, yeah.
Man, I'm hoping it just pulls up at least back up to 8,000 before it does anything crazy.
What are you at Dow or are you
Dow. I mean, it's looking like it may not even want to come back up to that 8,000. Yeah, I don't know. It's pushing down hard now.
Yeah, it is.
Dang.
That's a lot of red now.
Mm-hmm.
Bringing you up-to-the-minute geoeconomic news whenever and wherever it happens. I'm Bonnie Quinn in Sao Paulo, Brazil, and this is Bloomberg.
Astonishing day for US technology.
Shaping the region's technology ecosystem.
Asia's biggest tech news in
God
8 minutes.
damn.
Tune in to Bloomberg Business Week Daily.
We got a ton of crypto.
From the magazine that helps global leaders stay ahead.
Conversations around your company.
Bringing you insight on the people, companies, and trends shaping today's complex economy.
Very big things.
Plus global business, finance, and tech news as it happens.
The floodgates of innovation
Who's
are going to
coming
open
down?
up.
Can't fake fashion here. There already are.
Bloomberg Business Week Daily, only on Bloomberg.
That wick literally, I mean, it shook me out of my tiny position, but it still makes me so mad. The 5 minute also closed below.
Yeah.
Back to Bloomberg Open Interest. We couldn't make it a day 30. We still have a whole trading day to go. So maybe we will, but after 2 days of consecutive gains,
Yeah, I was
markets
about
are
to.
a bit down. Nasdaq 100, that 100 performed down 0.3%, as is the Russell 2000. Probably the reason for that is what's going on over here. Bonds, yields on the 10-year yield up 2.5 basis points. No thanks to the weekly jobless claim. That was better than expected. So is the Fed really going to be able to cut
it comes back to like 920, I'm putting another small one. If it comes back up to 820, I'm putting my last small one in, stop losses, and then
Which direction?
just watching
What
to the
direction?
downside. And I'm just watching. That's it. Nothing to do but watch after that. But I want those entries back up there because it's retesting the bottom of. Oh no, it's back in the
Yeah.
one. But that's it. That's the shot. I gotta commit to that stop loss.
Yeah.
Cause right now I've already traded like 4 different trades, in and out, in and out.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm losing. I'm too indecisive because it's
Yeah.
pushing too fast.
Yeah. You gotta. That.
I need to
What
lock in my
slows,
trades and then watch it.
what slows that down is the ORBs. Because if not, you're going to be chasing the direction,
Mhm.
but you're looking at the direction from a small time frame.
Yeah, 5 minute.
Yeah. Because
The candles
overall,
look
like if you
bigger.
look at this direction right here, the 45 minute, then you can kind of see a little bit more clear what
Mhm.
it's doing in the 45 minute. But like the 5 minute, it's just gonna show like it's gonna move right here.
Mhm.
And so the next 45 minutes, it could come back down, but you wanna like look at it in a different time frame and then catch the move. Don't chase it. But
I mean, I would, since it's the head and shoulders and it's close to all time high, I would probably hold this until tomorrow.
on the down to the downside.
Mhm.
Mm.
With that stop loss in, cause I do need more. I need a bigger move to get some of this
But if you look at the
cash back.
downside, like here, this is what we're looking at, right? On the daily,
Mm.
on the daily. So it could come down here and feel this on the daily, but you never know, right?
Yeah.
But it is a double top here. If it closes here, I mean below here, but it's still everything's still underneath here pushing up.
That's true, but
Yeah.
you have a better risk of reward to the downside than the upside, cause you got all time highs
Yeah.
up there.
True.
But if you want to put a stop loss to the upside, you have to put it down at least to the day candle.
Mm.
I mean, really two. You should be under that one, you know. So
With the 4 hours, like it may come down the next 4 hours to close down
that's
here.
100. I wouldn't. If it came down to that, back to where we were yesterday,
Yeah.
and I take a little profit and hold the rest, see what the rest does, that'd be smooth.
I can see it going down.
Mhm.
Get it here. Even here. Yeah.
Question is it gonna go smoothly or?
Oh,
About to be 7 o'clock too.
I think our text is like a flip probably. I don't know.
So big.
Huh?
So Bitcoin, they were talking about big low for Bitcoin was 93,500, and it got up there throughout the day, and it looks like it's getting rejected. Which I feel like plays a part in the Nasdaq.
Yeah, you got rejected. You're right.
Mhm. So I feel like that's also why Nasdaq is going down, kind of. But if it goes down for the next two hours, it's still iffy. It's still iffy. I mean, it's just rejecting that bottom of the ORB
Yeah.
slowly. It's not even trying to even
Yeah.
do anything like it did the last couple of days of coming back inside and then chilling for a little bit, then going in a direction.
Yeah.
It's just rejecting it.
It's gonna come down for a minute. Did you get in it?
I mean, I'm in it. It's just my position wasn't as big, and I took about $7 loss on that pump up and that wick, and then I thought I was gonna be able to get in.
It's pushing down now.
Need my entry again.
That
It's
is
just,
going down.
I think I'm gonna have to just go.
Charlie Kirk and K-pop Demon Hunters were the top two in the U.S. in 2025. Labubu, government shutdown, and tariffs were also high on the list. Pedro Pascal was one of the top searched actors, and Monster, the Ed Gein story, was one of the top searched TV shows. The list covers the top trending
That was a
subjects of the
crazy
year
TV
or
show.
the most searched.
Yeah.
Wow. Dang, man. Okay, I'm gonna do a 4 stop loss at 8,200. It's $100 though.
To what? The downside?
Yeah, but with a shorter stop loss than
Oh,
I want, it'd be a bigger position. It's just I don't want
it's just down. I would 944 would be the stop.
944.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it was just up at 944.
Huh?
I said it was just up at 944.
I would go 944. That's all I would EMAs and even the VWAP. Man, it's just a little bit under that.
Mm.
You do 949? That'll be it. Really, 949. That'll be like right here.
Let me see how much that is, please.
Yeah.
944. $18.
But
That's not bad.
but that's.
That's not a bad risk.
Mm,
I would say two to the nine.
hold on, no. You don't you get in yet or not yet?
Not yet.
Okay, because it was 2 times. If it pushes there, off the plug, 705, 17.
I mean, I was at least hoping maybe 8,000 was a lot. At least 900 again, but I think it could get to 900 before. I just gotta be quick.
It's struggling to get past.
It's struggling to go down though. Yeah, it is.
It's the time too.
It is struggling to go anywhere. But it is struggling to go back above that ORB at the bottom at the same time. I mean, it could just be a fake out to the downside, you know? At the end of the day, it could just be
Yeah.
looking to go higher and just wants to get people
Yeah.
selling.
Concerned about rising prices spooking investors.
What does renewables investment look like in the U.S.?
More tariff talk coming out of this administration.
Breaking market headlines and corporate news from across the globe. The president wants to lower interest rates. He wants a rate cut cycle.
How do you broaden out the AI play?
Are people just looking for something to worry about when it comes to China? Bloomberg Intelligence with Scarlet Fu and Paul Sweeney on Bloomberg Radio, YouTube, and Bloomberg Originals.
I got some eye drops.
I got hair loss.
Oh, yeah, that sucks.
All right, Luis Mateo, thank you so much. We appreciate that. Norma Linda sitting in for Strong and Food today. Also, you're live here in our Good Morning America radio studios in New York City. We're streaming live on YouTube as well. Let's get a look at some of the stocks on the move today. We will do that with Bloomberg's Carmen Reinicky, Deputy Team Leader for U.S. Equities. Carmen, what are we looking at today?
Yeah, so the first one I think we're all looking at is Meta, ticker META. So the stock is up about 4.5% right now. This is the best day since July, end of July, and the highest since October 31st. So obviously this is happening because Zuckerberg said they're going to cut resources for building the metaverse. Investors have, or for a long time, been critical of the metaverse and the spending there. So this being met with some buying. It's also, a really nice day for Meta. It's had a pretty significant drawdown. I was looking, it was, earlier this month down 25% from its peak. So seeing some nice
Once again, man, the volume is like there, dude.
No.
Shit ain't moving.
When did the volume come in yesterday?
No.
It came in
Meta's
about.
only moving volume, like serious volume 4%. Everybody else. Oh, shit. Amazon got 1%.
Mm.
here. So looking at Snowflake, this is ticker SN.
Yeah, yesterday it wasn't. It was a slow push up. It wasn't a lot of volume.
This is a company
It
that is
was
for operating margin.
slow hours, but in one direction.
Mm.
In a lot of these tech stocks, profitability is important. Investors are looking at
Yeah, I don't know what
profitability
to say.
looking into the profits. So we're seeing this a little bit with Snowflake. Company's still up really strong to go 45% year to date.
We did see some interesting news here that we
I
obviously
think I'm gonna take that stop loss out. I'm gonna do 970. So like that 940, little extra for. I'm gonna try to get it for like $10 stop loss.
970?
47,970. Mhm.
Yeah. There's a gap over there, too.
Well,
Yeah.
yeah, that gap got filled though. That's the gap I was talking
Oh,
about.
yeah.
It got filled with that weight. Mhm. Yeah, that was the gap I was like probably going. And that was during the middle of the day. That wasn't no market close or the weekend. That was just the middle of the day. Just gapped. Weird.
Yeah, it's gotta come. Looks like it's coming in.
Yeah, I need to figure out where would you take profit.
GP? Right here. I would take the first one right here. Just double bottom.
Around 700. It's almost there. Slow and steady though.
That's
Yeah, the top
674?
of
674?
674.
Or is that 664? Yeah. So
664.
close, yeah, 664. 664,
Mm,
668, something like that.
that's close to
Or
yesterday
you
already.
could take it to the 82 right here. The 200 anyway. 682.
Mm-hmm.
Might need some rejection right there.
Up a little bit. I feel like I messed up. When it gapped, I had my first, throughout the day, I had my first stop loss at 150. When it gapped up, I should have added positions with that 150 stop loss since that would have been much shorter. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Meaning I could risk less instead of reducing my position.
Yeah.
Because I don't have a stop loss there regardless.
So was Meta just too early? Are we not ready yet for a virtual reality? Or okay. Thank God.
Really? Yes. Well, you bring that up about the Apple thing. I see that's not the first person we've seen lead the Apple AI suite. What is going on there? Okay. Yep. 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 So is that the assumption that they're going to farm their AI out to Google, perhaps? And I think, and we'll talk to Anand Rama in just a moment. He'll say from a stock perspective, that's what investors kind of want. I mean, it's why spend a gajillion dollars to be just do a search. Yeah.
So how are we thinking about how Meta is
Because your
making
fucking
accessible
video
content to
fake.
millions right now? Like what is the AI race?
Oh,
That
dang.
still is a fake. It came up and come back down.
Mm-hmm.
Shit ain't doing nothing.
They do.
This is about to come back up. I'm
Yeah.
saving it. I'm about to get that.
Yeah,
Put that in.
you're gonna have to give it like at least 30 or 40 more minutes, cause
Cause it's how slow it's going.
Yeah, it's turtle. It's a turtle race today. Cause it's about to cross the 100 on the 15.
Mm-hmm.
If it doesn't come all the way through, yeah, videos are funny. So much download. Oh man.
Did you end up getting anything?
No, I'm still writing out
Wait.
AMD. Yeah, I took the AMD to the upside, but I'm gonna see what they're gonna do. But other than that, I don't want to jump in because um, it's not enough volume.
Mm.
I'm gonna lose money. I didn't, yeah. Yeah,
So you needed to take off and then you kind of ride the wave for a period and get out type.
yeah.
Mm. Makes sense.
But it, like looking at like say like QQQ like on the 15 minute. So like I would have just jumped in normally without waiting
Mm.
and try to catch this down here. But this is where the 15 minute is right here. The
Mm.
ORB. Trying to be disciplined, save me money because I would have said okay, it's going down the second time and
Mm.
just jumped in here, caught the blue line and
Verse.
yeah. If I didn't get in here, let me see what the five was like. So on the five, yeah, I would have tried to ride this down to here, and then
Yeah.
yeah, switch out. Yeah. It could still come down, but it's just 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35,
That's a decay.
45 minutes. Yeah, it's 45 minutes of nothing. It's just stuck at this. This is the line right here, but just stuck right here.
Mm-hmm.
It's a $2 move, but which is not bad. It's a, it ain't bad, but you have to catch it like that.
Damn you guys.
Month.
Who did it?
And even NVIDIA is still operating inside 15 minutes, or from here to here, still operating within here.
Mm. That's because the 15-minute candles is massive more than
These are 5 minutes.
that's 1 5 minute.
Yeah, but you see here, down here, and then here is the ORB here. So it's still within that, within the window.
Mm. Someone's back up to that 900. So I got the original one was the
You got Doji candle on 15 minutes.
No, I don't like that. But the original one I had, but I was waiting for, from that spot to the 940 was a $15 stop loss, and I got fixed, and now the stop loss pushed up to that 38, 35. Like you can fix it, so I can either fix it to a price or fix it to a value, and as the price moves, it moves.
Alright, bye you guys.
The stop loss.
Bye.
Bye, Nikki.
It's like a trail. It trails it.
It's not a trail because I'm not in a position yet. It's I only want to risk this much. So as price is moving, it will fix it to that amount I could lose, or I could fix it to the price and we'll change the amount I lose. Yeah.
So I took that hit last week, so I'm kind of slow to get in because
I feel you.
it's like fuck.
I feel you for sure.
It's gonna trap me. I I already know it's gonna travel. June 80 cents. Netflix $1. Palantir 70 cents. Yeah, it's still toggling.
See, that's how I feel.
Still toggling.
That's how I feel being down in equities. Like
Yeah.
I'm always nervous now.
I'm not. The thing is I'm not nervous, but it's like for my level of trading, it ain't really showing me nothing. Like,
Yeah.
yeah,
For me though, I'm always nervous because I can only take so many L's before it's over.
yeah.
Like I can't just add money. I wish I could just add money and like okay, let me just replace
Oh, yeah,
what I've lost.
Yeah.
But no, I can't just add money. So
Oh, yeah, I hear you.
yeah.
Yeah, she took off like a bat out of prison, nigga.
Oh,
She took off. When the time was 7:30, she wasn't up here at 7:30.
should I be at work at 7:30?
Probably the way she drove up. She ain't gonna be here in 7 minutes.
Put this right here.
Ugh. The video's coming down. AMD's coming up. Palantir's coming up. Beautiful. I hate these weeks the way they just stand within their own little fucking.
I mean, if you look at Dow 30, this week candle has been pretty range though. Like, you go to the week, it had to at least move around $700.
Oh.
What it start at? What's that week at the bottom?
191.
Yeah, up to it's almost moved.
Almost 100, bro. What's that? Wait.
No,
I
that's
don't
like
know.
almost 7. If you count how it went up to 8,050, it almost moved about $950 this week.
Okay.
Which is a lot. If you're,
Yeah.
and that came down Sunday, around there a little bit Monday. Yesterday it moved up $500
Okay.
by the end.
So
Cause my original entry was, around 550. Yeah, now it's coming back down. Came up to that 9. Come back down crazy. Oh my god. Stressing me.
I'm on by 861 for the week.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, not too bad. I mean, yes, I don't
It's
know
just,
how the Dow moves. So.
That's pretty good. A crazy week for Dow. Crazy week I've seen is probably 2,500.
Shit, them long ass candles right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Crazy week for Dow I've seen is probably 2,500.
46 1. Oh yeah. Yeah. I don't know how Dow moves. So. Yeah.
It's a lot. I mean, if you compare it to the regulars, it's regular, but that's a lot of money to be made.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
But is anything special? Nah, it's not special.
Shit, 800 in a week is really good.
Something messed up would be like something not moving. We're talking about a $300 range for a whole week. That's nothing moves.
Yeah.
But on an $800 range, that's a normal week. $800 up, down.
Yeah.
Because it will do that too.
Yeah.
It would be $800 range, but went up and down all the way multiple times.
Yeah.
So you could have caught times that by however much it went up and down. Stop loss.
See, the A&D moved yesterday from here to 216 to 11. It's a $5 move, which was shit. So the ORB is 17. $2 move with the ORB. It's not still moving within here.
On our run, he is our senior technology analyst over at intelligence from the burgeoning tech hub of Chicago, Illinois. We appreciate you giving us your time. Come back to these markets here in the first
Here to here, it's a $2. And it just came here, Doji didn't
The doji, and there's a doji on Dow 30, which I kind of don't like. But the gap filled pretty quick, and it kind of rejected. I don't know. I think I'm locking it in. I'm doing one more little position, and that's it, man.
to the downside or up?
Downside, but stop loss at 48. I think it's gonna see. I want to put it at 4,800. I mean 4,800, but I feel like it's gonna touch that before it goes down. Cause I'm realistically, the way it's moving, how slow it's moving, I'm probably gonna be asleep before any direction, if there is any direction. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Cause go back to 1 hour candles and look at yesterday. That's probably, what time was that? 6 to 7 this time?
Yeah. I'm imagining,
What is that?
yeah, because it's 7 right now. Yeah.
I don't. I guess I do kind of remember this, huh? I do kind of remember that. Yeah.
It just took a long time to get there. Because you're up there, if we look at this one, it's like a 5 minute. That's what it looked like yesterday on a 5 minute. So
Up, down,
like
up, down.
What's your here?
630.
Here. Up there.
Yeah, it's up and down.
And these are up and down too. This is down right here. So you figure a whole nother fucking hour in a pipe. And it's spiked up here.
Yeah. It just happens to close up.
Yeah.
But in between, it's because that is a slow.
Yeah. Low.
But yeah, I'm probably gonna be asleep before anything happens. Okay. Last spot, 48.50. Where wick, top of that wick. And that's it, man.
But it's coming up though.
13. It is, but
still on
it went down quick too.
Still on it. Yeah.
That's my last one. Let me see total risk. Total risk.
To the downside again?
I need to actually.
You should have just stayed in the downside.
You said what?
You should have just stayed in.
Like, I am in. I upped it.
Oh, you upped it. Okay.
Yeah, I upped it.
Thought you got out and got back in.
No, I did that a bunch actually.
Oh.
So I started at one. My balance was at 120. My balance is at 101 now, so $19. This is my position. Wick took a $5 L, came down to about 897, got in, came back up a little bit, got out, got in about, you know what I'm saying? Got in about down here, came up a little bit, got out. Cause I wanted my entry up here.
Yeah.
And then when it went up here, I didn't even care about my stop loss. I just lowered my position, like, and then down here I'm panicking. I'm glad I'm not taking nothing crazy, but right here I'm going with just stop loss. You know what I'm saying? Let it happen. Let me see my risk now.
I hate to think that it's gonna climb high.
I mean, I know there's a chance. I'm not sitting here saying there's no chance, but okay, 24, 14, it's 38, 38, 100. I'm missing about 240. Not gonna lie, 240 is a lot.
Next Wednesday, we're going to hear from the Fed. Markets may begin a 25 basis point rate cut. So I guess the market's going to be focusing on kind of what Fed Chairman Jay Powell says about going forward. How important is easing the Fed to this market here?
I think it's important
What if I
to see how
do?
the market's reacted over the past, since the past Fed cycle. It's not recent. It's the last time the S&P 500 was the date, the last FOMC meeting, when Chairman Powell first called water on the idea of, I think what the market's consensus was just this path of never-ending rate cuts. Take hold your horses, is what he said. And we actually we kind of hit our lows in November around the time that the Fed cut probability was around 20, 25, 30%. So we've been trading off of this, whether that's algorithms or whether that's people, probably some of each, but it's certainly been a determinant. And so I think if the
70,
probability is down, it will come back into
100,
the market with probably more liquidity.
130,
What opportunities are you seeing right now? What makes it tough?
160.
I'm personally a believer in. I like the sort of short-term illusion in the twos, threes. The market, they're telling you that there's
Good for you, man. I don't wanna lose, man.
if there are gains
You think I can make 2 bands in over the next year?
So the next year?
I gotta give myself that time frame.
That's too long.
I mean, I can't even make $100 this week, bro.
Because of this shit, it's slow. It's slow as hell.
I was
This
up.
shit is moving at 9%. Dude, if it's down $40, that ain't shit.
I was up $200 yesterday, and then cooked myself. Last week, when I first came here, my account was at 98, and then I took an L, went back to sleep. When I went home, I took that L, went home, and I just took like two L's back to back before I even went to sleep, man.
Oh, yeah.
That's what started me, yeah. Unnecessary L's. Well, I think that's it. I don't know what else to do. I got my stop loss at 48,210. I think my risk is 160 or 180. And I guess that's it. There's nothing for me to do now. 70, 30, yeah, 160.
That shit's moving like a turtle race. I've seen this pattern before. I don't know, man.
You said you seen this pattern
I think
before?
he's gonna come back up here and retest this ORB.
I don't like how it kind of bowls.
Yeah,
When it bowls,
yeah.
that does usually mean it's pushing up. And I actually don't like the alternations.
See this shit right here?
Kind of going about the
Yeah,
middle.
it's a bully bull. You got Palantir, AMD, and Nvidia pushing upwards now.
Mm.
Facebook and Tesla. Facebook is up. Facebook is up 27 dollars. Let's pull that trade, switch it. It's upside
Right.
for $500.
That's like I can't. A part of me feels like if I keep flipping,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? Because as soon as it goes back, then that will flip again. You know. I think I gotta stick with my guns and take that stop loss and accept that I was wrong. You know? Cause I mean, yesterday you said flipping, and I got cooked, but you know what I'm saying? I don't feel like I can't flip. I just gotta take that stop loss if I'm wrong. I mean, my main thing was that head and shoulders, which is not playing out.
Okay, look at all the text though. All the text, the Palantirs, AMDs, like here, they're all in the green. They're coming up. So all the tech stocks besides these right here, Savage, Moon out. QQQ is closing this from being down $2. Now it's down to 68 cents. But it's still at 11%, which is really low. I don't know. But yeah, I hear you though.
I think I'm gonna thug it out, man. 160 stop loss. I mean, you know.
On a 15 minutes, is what it looks like.
I think I gotta thug it out though.
I hear you.
I mean, coming up here is reasonable. I can see that. Coming up to right here would be my problem. But with that big rejection, wait, go to 200. Let's go back out. Go to put your cursor on that 200. Kind of the bottom of that zone. That's not that good, cause then it might want to touch that zone. I don't know. We're gonna see. But yesterday you were right. I got cooked. But we gonna see.
But it's still operating under the VWAP, so it's good.
Yeah, that's good. All right, Big Freddy.
You all good? Head out?
Mm-hmm.